All right, this topic looks at the composition of two functions where we have p and q as two functions. So for this first one, it says p, I believe that says p composed with q. So kind of hard for me to read, but I'm pretty sure it says p composed with q of 5 in this case. So what that means is it's kind of a sequence. We're going to plug 5 into q, and then we're going to plug whatever we get in for p. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the q of 5, which is the square root of 5 plus 4. Now 5 plus 4 is 9, so this gives me the square root of 9, which is just simply 3. But now I want to take that value of 3 and I want to plug it into the other function of p. So now I want to figure out what p of 3 is. So it's kind of a series. So you take the first one, you plug it into the second function, or the one right next to it, and then you plug whatever you get into the other function. So that's going to be 3 squared plus 7, which is going to be 9 plus 7, so our final answer is going to be 16. So whatever number's in that parenthesis, you plug in the rightmost function, and then whatever you get for that output, you put into the other function. So it's basically the same thing for the second one, except for it's q composed with p of s. So we'll put the 5 into p first. So we'll do p of 5, which is 5 squared plus 7, which is 25 plus 7, which is going to be 32. But now I'll take that 32 and I'll put it into the first function, which is q. But it's very important that I'm putting that number in. So that gets me the square root of 32 plus 4, which is the square root of 36, just adding under the root, which simply just gives me 6. So the 16 would be my answer for the first one, and 6 would be my answer for the second one.